Welcome to Milk Masters on the Move.
I'm Chef Charlotte.
And I'm Chef Andrea.
We're up north at a cozy winter cabin to show you just how easy it is to cook with local milk and dairy anywhere. No fancy and fully stocked kitchen required. Good thing it's super easy to make something delicious with local dairy. I'll be in charge of making a tomato Parmesan Bisque. Ooh. Andrea's in charge of the hot chocolate, and she's got a special treat to go with it. So let's get started. First up, creamy, delicious butter. This is the base of our dish. I like a generous amount of butter in the pot. Make sure the pot is around medium. Nice little sizzle. I got some nice butter melting. I got a little onion and garlic in there, just getting it nice and translucent. The butter is super integral to this dish. It adds nuttiness, creaminess, texture, and it's the base. It's the foundation of the flavor profile of this soup. Very important. Next up, I'm gonna add all the dairy, the cream. My secret ingredient today, fresh local Parmesan. This dish is so simple, you could do it really anywhere. Today I've got a hot plate, you can do it on a wood fire, you can do it on your gas stove, you can do it anywhere. Okay, next up, our base, our liquid base. Some really nice chicken stock, some tomato base. This is a tomato Parmesan Bisque. We need tomatoes. Cream, this is 35%. I'm a full fat girly, just saying. I'm gonna be quite generous for this cream because I want it to have a nice pale pinkish color. This dish needs dairy. I wouldn't recommend making it without it, and adding 35% is a way to just make this dish sing. Andrea, where are you at, girl?
I'm here.
Oh,
I'm here.
Yeah, thank goodness.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to make some delicious hot chocolate. We're gonna do hot chocolate 3 ways. And we're gonna start with local milk. You can use 2% here, but 3.5% would also work. And that's gonna make this hot chocolate really creamy, really luscious, and super delicious. For one of these hot chocolates, we're actually going to up the ante and add some 35% cream because it just adds that luscious creaminess that just says winter hot chocolate.
I cannot wait to taste these two things together. Creamy tomato bisque, creamy hot chocolate flight. We're getting a flight of hot chocolate.
You are, and honestly, it's the perfect afternoon snack for coming in out of that cold winter air.
And it is cold outside today, my goodness. We are checking on the status of our tomato Parmesan Bisque. The soup has come up to a nice simmer here. And what it's missing is some of the key elements to finish off its delicious, creamy flavor. We need beautiful, local Parmesan. This is like the body of the bisque. It's gonna give it sharpness, brightness, a bit of salinity, like saltiness. It's gonna help me season it. Just whisk that in. I have a secret trick that's really fun to add even more richness and lusciousness to this soup. Guess what it is, guys? Can you guess what it is?
Dairy.
It's butter. Take a bit of butter at the very end and you add it to your hot soup. And if you have a hand blender at home, something like one of these, you can do it in a blender as well, but I just have this handy dandy hand blender. This adds a beautiful texture to your bisque. So I'm just gonna make sure it's not too fast. This makes it shiny, extra creamy. It's perfect. Yummy. Andrea, I cannot wait. I cannot wait any longer.
I am ready, Charlotte.
Oh my God, girl.
I've got a flight of hot chocolates coming right up.
I cannot wait for this. It's driving me crazy.
All right, we're garnishing up these gorgeous flights of hot chocolate, Charlotte.
They look beautiful. I'm so excited.
And I've got one more surprise for you.
I love surprises. I cannot wait. Oh, I hear somebody. Perfect timing.
Surprise.
What is this magical surprise you have for us?
Delicious maple candy made fresh outside.
Girl.
Just a little addition to these hot chocolates. I think it's
Are you
perfect.
serious?
Yes.
This is so special. Thank you.
Tuck one on the side here or put it inside.
Can I try that one?
Yes, you can. Let me tell you what I have, okay? So first up, we have a great hot chocolate for kids of any age. It's got that 2% milk in there, luscious and creamy. In this one, we have a little bit of a spiced hot chocolate. So we've got some orange zest along with a cinnamon stick. And we've just sort of toasted our marshmallows, which is super fun. This last one, a take on Parisian hot chocolate.
So I'm
We've
excited.
added 35% cream, which is irreplaceable in here, along with some delicious whipped cream and chocolate shavings for the top.
This is perfect timing. My soup's ready. I'm gonna plate this right now. We work so well together. Look at this creamy tomato bisque. I'm just gonna finish off with a little bit of Parmesan, extra local Parmesan, nice and fresh. And a little bit of extra heat for me. Hope you don't mind.
No, I like the heat. Bring it.
A little bit of peps. That's it. Let's eat.
I have an idea.
What?
Let me try your soup. You're going to try one of my hot chocolates.
I'm down.
Yeah?
I'll trade
Okay.
you for this one.
I'll just use this mini
Here,
spoon.
take that.
A little spoon.
Bon appetit, girl. What do you think? Is it good? It's probably hot.
Come on.
I'm doing
That
it.
is so good. I could eat this all day long.
Okay, ready? It's like a creamy, warm hug on the inside.
Right?
So good.
Honestly, these are the perfect recipes when you come in from a cold day outside. They're full of luscious, creamy milk and cream. Honestly, I couldn't want anything more.
They're delicious, and I love the variety of cream or milk. You can sort of make it thinner or thicker. It's up to you,
And you can cook them wherever you are.
wherever you are. And this soup, I think, pairs perfectly well. The tomato parmesan creamy soup. There's lots of parmesan, lots of cream, and you can't forget the butter. The butter at the end makes it nice and shiny. It's sort of like a butter sandwich. Butter at the beginning, butter at the end.
Honestly, what's better than a butter sandwich? Nothing.
That's it for this episode. Check out the next episode where we cook up a delicious chicken pot pie stew. And of course, how we use delicious local dairy to make it the ultimate crowd pleaser.